In order to begin configuring your PC to communicate locally with your JPS device, first you'll need to go to the main Windows Network Settings page and open the Network and Sharing Center. Once you have powered on your JPS device and plug in the other end of the network cable, you will see a new Ethernet interface appear. Click on the Ethernet connection and a status window will appear. Go to Properties, select the IPv4 connection, and select Properties once more. To set a static address on your PC, click on Use the following IP address and enter an address within the same subnet of your JPS device. You should now be able to close the status window and use a browser to communicate with your JPS device. If the device is not responding, you may need to disable other network interfaces and try again. If you have forgotten the IP address of your JPS device, use the instructions within your manual to identify or reset it. Manuals for all JPS products can be found on our website.